In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a divider on Google Sites fast and easy. Dividers are a fantastic way to make your content more readable and well organized. When you want to separate sections of your site to improve its visual appeal, or just to make content distinction clearer, adding a divider is the perfect solution. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin first, you'll need to go to Google Sites. If you haven't already navigated to the platform, open your web browser and type Google Sites in the search bar. Hit Enter and click on the link that appears in the search results. Now, let's assume you have all your sites in front of you. Select the particular site where you want to add the divider. This could be an ongoing project or a new site you've recently started working on. Once you're on the site's page, navigate to the top right corner and you'll see a menu with several options. Now, let's focus on the Insert option in this menu. Click on Insert, which will open up a sidebar full of various elements you can add to your page. From text boxes to images and other pre-made layouts, this sidebar is your toolkit for building and enhancing your site. However, for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on just the divider. Once the Insert sidebar is open, look down the list of options, and you'll see one labeled Divider. It's usually represented with a simple horizontal line icon. Click on this, and instantly, you'll notice that a horizontal line appears on your page. This line acts as a visual separator, distinguishing between sections or groupings of content. The beauty of this functionality is not just in its simplicity, but also in its flexibility. If you decide you'd like that divider elsewhere on the page, you can easily move it around. Just click on the divider itself, drag it to the new location within the section, and drop it. This feature allows for incredible flexibility in organizing your content fluidly without any hassle. And there you have it. Adding a divider in Google Sites is not just easy, but also a quick way to jazz up your site. Whether it's separating text, images, or other bits of content, dividers can significantly enhance the viewer's experience by creating a more structured and visually appealing layout. Keep experimenting and see how dividers can enhance your site design. I hope you found this guide helpful. And don't forget to explore other options within Google Sites to maximize the effectiveness of your site building projects. Thanks for watching, and happy site creating!